The CNC machines which are used for cutting, drilling or any other operations often needs to be cleaned in order to prevent tool wears and downtime. Generally, the operator cleans the CNC machine after the production of each worked part. The brush and the dustpans are used to clean the machines manually. This method leads to the inefficient cleaning which would reduce the performance of the machine as the chips get deposited in the gaps or corners of the machine. Air pressure is also used to clean these work parts and make sure that there are no chips deposited. However, even this is not considered to be an effective method of cleaning a CNC machine. In order to overcome the drawbacks of manual cleaning, RGS vacuum systems offer a range of oil vacuums. The new variant is called the Oil 223 vacuum cleaner. This offers a perfect solution for vacuuming of chips, oils, and coolants from the machine tools. The new Oil 223 vacuum cleaner not only sucks the metal chips, but also the liquid which is used as a coolant or a lubricant. The machine comes with a separate 220-liter tank for liquid accumulation and a 60-liter tank for accumulation of the chips. A suction unit is connected to a 60-liter container where the vacuum material is passed. The first level of filtration takes place at this area. The container of the chips can be easily emptied with the aid of a single person. In the container, the chips are separated from the liquid through the mesh basket with holes of 2 mm. It's also possible to further filter by using an optional nylon filter of 100, 200 or 300 microns. The liquid that is separated from the chips move into the liquid container through a bottom drainage. There are different types of noses available with the Oil 223 vacuum cleaner, such as the flatted metal nose, conical rubber nose, and the straight rubber nose. These noses are designed in such a way that they reach out to every gap and corners of both the work parts and the CNC machines. The conical rubber nose has the smallest diameter and hence it is used for accurate cleaning of the machine. The nose is connected to a long hose pipe which makes the cleaning process more flexible. A 3-phase suction motor which is used to suck the chips and liquid is fitted on top of the oil container. The liquid container stocks the liquid that can be reused multiple times. This saves the time and cost of purchase and disposal of the liquid. Once the liquid reaches the maximum level, the floating switch identifies it and the suction stops automatically. The centrifugal pump installed at the bottom allows an easy discharge of the vacuum liquid even at long distances. The pump is able to discharge the 200 liters of sacked liquid in less than a minute, thus saving the time and cost of manual disposal.